Hey guys, Justin with Ready Business Systems. I just want to go through with you guys. I thought this was pretty interesting. I've been compiling marketing materials from Renewal by Andersen, which I always thought they had very interesting marketing. So I've been basically saving stuff and I've been dating it. You can see the dates on here, October 16th of when I got it and the different types of mailing as well as the frequency over the course of, I believe, a little more than a year. So as you can see here, they send a lot of this handwritten stuff, which I think is cool. I mean, it makes it look like it's handwritten, but it's obviously not. So this is the most recent one, October 16th. They have a phone number here. I don't know if this is a tracking number or not, a special phone number, but I did notice they have different phone numbers on each piece of marketing. So I think that they actually do have tracking phone numbers, so they know what's working and what's not. And here's the back of that one. You know, that's the quote-unquote salesperson that's sending this out. Prior to that, you know, about 2 months earlier, we got this one, which is a letter size, kind of a thicker piece of paper here. And, you know, they include the pricing, whatever discounts. And see, here's a different phone number. It's 203 versus the 860 they have on this one. Prior to that, so that was August 24th, we have this one, which is in January. And this one's a letter. So we got a letter. I thought this was nice. I don't know if they're experimenting or they just send all different pieces. You know, you'd think if they figured out what worked, they would just mail that one. So we have this nice quote-unquote handwritten letter with the offer. And this number is 860 number, which is different. Yep, that's also different numbers. They must be tracking these what's working with the phone numbers, or maybe they're just still exploring here. But they tend to favor these kind of quote-unquote handwritten items here. So this letter comes with a little card in here with the quote-unquote salesperson's business card, right? 964-1926, is that the same phone number? 1926, yeah, it's the same phone number that's on the letter. So don't look, yeah, so I think this is nice looking. It looks like a handwritten letter. Then prior to that, so this was again January 24th. This one is October 25th, 2022. Another letter, with a little coupon in there. This one's on a different piece of paper. This phone number is a 401, so this one's a different phone number. So that's cool. So they definitely favored these handwritten postcards. It's interesting to see, you know, what type of marketing these larger companies are sending out. And I did do a quick ChatGPT inquiry, and they have their own in-house marketing team that's producing this material. Here's the next mailing. So let's check this phone number again. This one is a 401-2774. So they're definitely doing some phone number tracking here for call tracking. So this one here is just a piece of paper again, with some prices on here. They really try to make them handwritten. That's a common theme I've seen throughout this. That's on 8/16, and this last one was on October 25th. So about 2 months between these mailings. Then in the springtime, or sorry, this is the summer. So that one, the last one previous to that was in August, and then this one's 1 month prior, right? So they got this big mailer. These are the biggest direct EDDM pieces you can send out. Again, handwritten theme here, giant mailing. I don't know why they're doing, if they're like experimenting or why they're mailing out different. And again, we have different phone numbers here. So they're definitely doing the call tracking. 0233, I can't remember if we used that number before, but they're definitely call tracking based on these different phone numbers. And they don't seem to really be focusing on like website traffic, like windowflashsale.com. I think I've seen that before. So anyway, that was in July 2022. Then we have this one, which I thought I had a date on it. Huh, maybe I forgot to date this one. Okay. Well, anyway, we got another giant mailing here. Another phone number, so they're doing call tracking. And they actually do, okay, they have different websites here too. They have maysuperdeal.com, so they're tracking by the website too. And here they have window flash sales, so they can track traffic based on the different the different phone numbers and the different landing pages there on their website. And then this one, apparently I wasn't dating these yet. Okay, well, it's March 2022 is on there. And this, I don't actually, it couldn't have come just like that. It must have come with something else as well. But different tracking phone numbers. So anyway, it's just interesting that they're mailing all different pieces. Like they're constantly experimenting, but you would just think that they would have nailed it down now and know what's working better and what's not, and use the one that's working the most. So, or maybe they just try different things to catch people's attention. Just in comparison, I'll just show you. We get, this mosquito mic. This is a mosquito franchise. They just send the same thing over and over and over again. Which to me doesn't seem as strategic. You're not going to catch people's attention as much as we mail different stuff. But interesting to see the different themes there, that they are mailing all different materials. But yeah, they're always doing handwritten, which is interesting for them anyway. These guys are kind of mailing and then they stop. They're mailing, what's this, like every couple weeks, right? And then they kind of stopped. But I have more examples too. But I thought that might be interesting to share for marketing. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks.